Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your posts or activities on your Facebook profile. Now, what we want to go ahead and do is go to the three horizontal lines and select that in the upper right side of the screen. And then we can go on down to where it says Privacy and Settings. So let's select this, Privacy and Settings. Then go on down to Settings and go on down to where it says Posts right here and select this. And go to limit who can see your past posts. And this says if you choose to limit your past posts on your timeline that you've shared with friends of friends, and public posts will now be shared only with friends. We can back out of this and go back to the home screen here on our profile. Now let's go on over to our profile. So I'm going to choose the horizontal lines again. Go to see your profile. Then on my profile page, I'm going to go to the three little dots right here and select this. Go to activity log. Let's scroll on down to the bottom of the page and go to View Activity History. And we can choose filters to see all our activities. Now, you can go to the three dots on the activity and select it. And you'll get an option to delete the activity on the bottom of the screen. Items you deleted can't be restored, so let's go to Delete. And you can go through this list one by one and delete everything off of here or hide it from your profile. It makes it a lot easier to delete items from your activity log, and then you can go up to trash to see if there's anything in your trash here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.